Then let us continue with the animal tissues, and today we are going to complete the last topic, that is the connective tissues. We have discussed different type of animal tissues: epithelial, nervous, and muscular. So we are left only with the connective tissues. Connective tissue means it connects other tissues, bind other tissues together. Cells, they are loosely packed, they are wide apart from each other. A large amount of extracellular material or intercellular material is there. Connective tissue has a great variety. It may be jelly-like fluid and dense, or very rigid like the bones. They are present and widely located throughout the body and present between the different tissues and organs. Connective tissue main function is packaging other tissues, binding other tissues, but besides these, they play an important role of storage of different substances, is transport of different substances. So connective tissue, that is the most common tissue in the body, and different forms of connective tissues are there. The fluid connective tissue. The fluid connective tissue are the two in the body: blood and lymph. Blood is the main fluid connective tissue. Its components are a liquid part, plasma, and the solid cells or corpuscles present in the plasma. Plasma, it's a straw-colored pale yellow fluid, and it mainly constitutes 55% of the blood, and 90 to 92% of the plasma is water. Then there are proteins, different albumins, fibrinogens are present, and plasma without coagulation proteins is known as serum. Besides this, it contains different food materials, organic compounds, glucose, amino acid, as well as certain wastes are also present in the blood. Different corpuscles are RBCs, red blood corpuscles, WBC, white blood corpuscles, and platelets. Red blood corpuscles, they are red in color, biconcave, and they don't have nucleus at the maturity. They are red due to the presence of hemoglobin in them, and the function of RBCs is to transport respiratory gases, oxygen as well as carbon dioxide. White blood cells are round or irregular in shape. They have a prominent nucleus, and the nucleus can be lobed. White blood cells are white or colorless, and the main function of white blood cell is providing in protection against the diseases. So they help in the defense mechanism. Platelets, they are smallest and irregularly shaped. They are also colorless, and they help in clotting of blood. So here we can see the different components of the blood. So these are the RBCs, is red in color because of the presence of hemoglobin. So RBCs and sorry. Then it is the WBCs, irregular or round in shape. They have nucleus, but RBCs don't have nucleus. So they have nucleus. They help in body defense. And then there are small platelets. These help in coagulation of blood. They are the different types of WBCs. WBCs are different types. Neutrophils, eosinophils, there are all different types of WBCs. So WBCs is, and then platelets, and then RBCs. These are the three types of corpuscles present in the plasma. Then other connective tissues. So the function of the connective tissue is joining the different parts together. Blood के अलावा lymph, that is also a fluid, and it also helps in the transport of materials. Then a solid, hard bone. It consists of cells. They are embedded in the hard matrix. Why the matrix is hard? Due to the presence of calcium and phosphorus compounds, and they provide support to the body. So this is the bone, that is a connective tissue that form the skeleton, hard due to the presence of calcium, phosphorus, salts, and providing support to the body. Next, ligaments. लिगामेंट्स एंड टेंडन्स, ये हम दोनों इकट्ठे कर लेते हैं. लिगामेंट ज्वाइन बोन टू बोन, एक बोन को दूसरी बोन के साथ ज्वाइन करता है. एंड टेंडन, दे आर आल्सो फाइब्रस टिश्यूज, दे ज्वाइन बोन्स टू मसल्स and they also help in movement. So that is the basic difference between the ligament and tendons. Here you see that skeletal muscles are there. Skeletal muscles कौन से होते हैं? जो bones के साथ attached होते हैं, skeleton के साथ attached होते हैं. And this is attached with the help of this white, that is the tendon. So muscle to bone attachment is through the tendon, and then bone to bone, ये एक bone, ये दूसरी bone. ठीक है, bone to bone जो आपस में जुड़े होते हैं, that is through the ligaments. So ligaments they join bone to bone, यहाँ भी bones और bones ये आपस में जुड़ी हैं through the ligaments, and tendons they join bone to muscles. Then we come to the other tissues, areolar adipose tissues, as well as this cartilage. So cartilage जो है, that is semi-rigid structure. Bone तो जैसे बहुत hard होता है, that is flexible, and it is present at certain places in our body like nose tip, earlobe. So here the cartilage is present. Then an areolar tissue. Areolar tissue जो है, so this fills the space between the skin and the muscles. तो skin और muscle के बीच में जितनी भी space है, तो ये areolar tissue. Different organs के बीच में packaging material क्या है? Areolar tissue. Blood vessels के आसपास areolar tissue. It also help to repair the tissues. Adipose tissues. Adipose tissue, बाकी सब कुछ areolar tissue की तरह ही, fibers are there, cells are there, but here special fat cells, fat storing cells, adipocytes are present, and otherwise they are similar, and they are found below the skin between the internal organs because it provides protection to the delicate organs. So this is the adipose. So basically an aggregation of fat cells. So fat cell oval, and they contain they are almost filled with the fat and abundant below the skin, and they act as an insulator. They regulate body temperature, forms shock absorbing cushion around the kidneys and eyeballs. Again, there is a loose adipose connective tissue. Adipose tissue means storing fat. So here we see the different type of tissues. Bone हमने किया था कि hard matrix due to the presence of calcium phosphate. ये हैं bone cells जो हमें black नजर आते हैं. So these are arranged in the form of rings. Concentric rings are there. See, concentric rings are there. So that is the bone. The bone cells, they are occurring singly. Cartilage हमने किया था, they are semi flexible, but cells जो है वो singly नहीं, दो तीन इकट्ठे, जैसे दो है तो they may be present in the group of 2 or 3 or singly. तो हो सकते हैं singly, but may be present in the groups of 2 or 3. But calcium and phosphorus salts, they are not there in the matrix. So matrix is it's flexible, pliable, and it's not at all rigid. Then areolar tissue हमने किया. It consists of different fibers, yellow fibers, white fibers. Then cells are present and they act as a packaging material between the different organs. Adipose, इसमें स्पेशल ये फैट स्टोरिंग सेल होते हैं. पूरा सेल के अंदर फैट से भरा होता है. साइटोप्लाज्म जस्ट पेरिफ्री पे है सेल का, अदरवाइज दे आर स्टोरिंग द फैट्स. सो ओवरऑल वी कैन से connective tissue, it supports the other tissues, bind other tissue, large amount of extracellular material is there, a network of fibers in the liquid, a jelly like और solid matrix कैसा भी हो सकता है. सो ये एक समरी सी है कि जिसमें एडिपोज टिश्यू स्टोर करता है, इंसुलेट करता है पैडिंग को. देन ब्लड जो है लिक्विड प्लाज्मा and they help in transport of the respiratory gases. Then cartilage, here flexible parts हैं skeleton के and they give support. Fibrous connective tissue, they are parallel fibers and tendon and ligaments ends. They also come to this category fibrous tissue. Loose connective tissue, they form a packaging material, a bone that is very hard and it consists of bone cells arranged in the concentric rings. Hardness is due to the presence of salts. So this is overall summary of this connective tissue. So this completes your chapter of tissues. Thank you so much.